What is whalefall succession in the deep ocean? Imagine a giant whale sinking to the ocean floor, creating a sudden burst of life in a place where few things normally grow. This process is called whalefall succession, and it shows how ecosystems develop over time after a big event. When a whale dies and its body sinks below 1,000 meters, it starts a series of changes that attract different groups of animals. These changes happen in clear stages, each with its own community of creatures that relying on the whale for food and shelter. The first stage is the scavenger phase. Large animals like sharks, fish, and invertebrates quickly arrive to eat the soft tissues of the whale. They can strip away the flesh in just a few months, leaving behind the bones and skeleton. After the flesh is gone, the next stage begins. Smaller animals such as worms, crustaceans, and special bone-eating worms called oceanics move in to colonize the bones and surrounding sediments. These worms are heterotrophs, meaning they get their energy by consuming organic material from the whale remains. As the bones break down further, a fascinating third stage takes over. It is called the sulfophilic stage. During this phase, the bones releases sulfur compounds and methane gas as they decompose. Chemosynthetic bacteria use these chemicals to produce energy, similar to how plants use sunlight. This creates a unique environment that supports a community of organisms adapted to these chemical-rich conditions. This stage can last 4 decades, making the whalefall a long-lasting hotspot of life in the deep ocean. Eventually, the whale bones become mostly mineralized, and a final stage may occur. This is known as the reef stage, where the bones act as a hard surface for suspension feeders. These animals filter food particles from the water, attaching themselves to the skeleton. This stage depends on how quickly the bones decompose and is less understood, so scientists continue to study it. Whalefall succession shows how ecosystems change over time after a major event. It highlights how different species arrive, modify the habitat, and create new opportunities for life. These stages also demonstrate how energy and nutrients cycle through the deep sea, supporting a variety of marine life. Understanding this process helps us see how deep ocean ecosystems develop and stay resilient in the face of disturbances.